The wing quick release without a special carabiner method is a safety procedure easy to learn. It is especially helpful for tandem pilots. It works with all paragliders. And also with most carabiners, as long as they can be opened under pressure. Best idea is to become very familiar and fast with this release method. You can also practice with a solo paraglider first. You can practice in many ways, front or reverse position. With or without brakes, just practice and enjoy. Let us explain this slowly. Ideally, the paraglider should be stable after landing. Use one or two hands to open one carabiner. As soon as the gate opens, use the other hand to pull down the riser and take it off. Now let's see this in slow motion. Keeping the brakes in your hands leaves the wing a bit more organised for the next try, but when very windy it's better just to let go. For solo gliders, it's a good idea to have a quick release for your speed system. Next thing is to practice with your tandem, and it's a good idea to have some help around. Now try it without help, but with a medium heavy passenger. It's just safer in case you make a mistake. One more with a medium weight passenger. Practice until perfect. And now it's time for the real thing. Make sure you master this technique before using it in a real situation. This method is not a reason to fly in strong winds.